Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, guys. Do not miss out on any updates as I will be dropping more back-to-back updates for you guys. So, click on that subscribe button now. Like, share, make your comments. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting on our goal for the week. So, I did this analysis for you guys. If you have not watched it, you can go back to go and watch it, right? I did this analysis for you guys last week. I told you that gold will give us a bullish move and it will tap a level of 4248. And about last week, right? This was where our gold was. It was around this level. And I told you that gold will be giving us about 800 plus pips, close to 1,000 pips, right? We will be expecting about 800 pips. Right, that is what I told you guys, close to about 1,000 pip. And guess what? Gold gave us more than 1,000 pip movements this week. So you can see that our prediction on our gold is mostly always right. Basically, 90% always right. So this is one of the reasons why, to those of you that if you are new and you've not subscribed, do yourself a favor and click on that subscribe button so you will not miss out on the next update we will be giving you guys. Now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our goal for the week. Let's start with our weekly time frame. We would analyze it down to the 4-hour time frame. So let's start with our trend on our weekly time frame. So what is our trend, right? This is an uptrend. Before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend of that trade. Is it trending to the upside? Is it trending downward, or is it ranging? So we can clearly see that market here is literally trending to the upside. That is it, right? Now, if you take a look at this movement on gold, we had this our first high. Here comes the higher low. We had this high. Here comes the higher low on gold. By the way, I want you guys to pay attention. We had this high, and here comes the higher low, right? We eventually had this movement that gave us an high. Here comes the higher low, right? Now markets eventually rallied up and gave us an high, and here comes the higher low. So I've been predicting this movement for a long time that we will continue that movement to the upside till it eventually take out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high for us. So our prediction on gold is still to an uptrend move, upside movement. So now this is for swing traders or position traders, right? Those traders that would like to hold their position for a very long time. You would still want to hop in on the buy till gold push up and take out this previous high. So we are still anticipating for more movements to the upside. Are you in the trade of this gold? If not, if you would want to be in the trade of this gold, right, one thing you should be looking out for is a buy, as gold will still very much push up to take out this previous high here and thereby forming a new high. So that is it. Our prediction for the week on gold is still an uptrend move, and we will be expecting more movement to the upside. Now let's roll down to the daily time frame. So this is our daily time frame here. We had this high and higher low. We had this high. Here comes the higher low, right? Now take a look at this movement, guys. Markets eventually started moving up slowly from here. We had this high, an higher low was made here. Then an higher high. Market eventually gave us an higher low. Market pushed up and gave an higher high. Market eventually gave us an higher low. So what is market doing here? Market has given us an higher high. You can see it, right? So what should you be expecting next on gold? Definitely, we should be anticipating for a pullback on gold. So basically, if you're on the buy right now and you're in profit, the best thing you can do is start securing your profit or start taking partial profit, as markets will still give us good amount of a pullback, right, before it eventually starts pushing up again. So we are still anticipating for a pullback. So we will be getting this pullback. Remember, I predicted this movement for you guys last week when market was around this level. If you've not watched it, you can go back to the channel to watch it, especially those of you if you are new. Or if you know you are not new and you've been following this channel, you'll be able to testify that we predicted that this movement will push up and tap a level of 4248. And guess what? Market tapped it and broke above it. So this is a massive movement, and it is not just a massive movement. It is a wonderful and an amazing movement. So one thing we will be expecting next is a pullback on our gold. So guys, be anticipating for a pullback on your gold. So once the gold eventually gives us a pullback, then we can now start looking for a buy setup next that will push up again to form a new high. So above all, we need to be anticipating for that movement. See it eventually take out this high. So this is what we are watching out for. This is our ultimate goal for the week on gold. We would be anticipating for gold to push up to it, take out this high here, this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high for us. So a bullish move is what we are still anticipating for the week. Remember, on the weekly time frame, we are anticipating for a bullish move. On the daily time frame, we are anticipating for a bullish move. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So on this 4-hour time frame, we want to know what market will be doing next. Yeah, this is our 4-hour time frame. So what is market doing currently on the 4-hour time frame? Of course, market is literally trending to the upside. So if you remember, I did this analysis for you guys. I think it was on Monday when I did this analysis for you guys. If I'm not wrong, market was around there, right? It was around there, and I told you guys that markets will reject from this level, right? Why did I tell you guys that? It's because this is a support level, right? This is a multiple rejection level whereby markets rejected from here, it's rejected from here. Markets eventually give a rejection. When markets came back to this, I told you the markets will definitely going to reject from here also, and markets eventually pushed up. You can see it push up, higher low here, then it did higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then did an higher high. Here comes the higher low. So with what market is doing, market will most likely going to push up to give a new higher high. Also have it in mind that market is likely to come down again to form an equal higher low. There is possibility that it will come back. I mean, if you take a look at this week, right, you might want to see it as an equal higher low. So market is likely to come down to fully tap this level, to fully close at this level before it eventually push up. So above all, whatever we're looking out for this week, we would be anticipating for a buy, and we would only be looking for the buy setup for the week. So whatever market does, it is up to the market. What we just need to be looking out for is a buy setup. So once we get the buy setup, we can open for the buy. So we are anticipating for a bullish move for the week on gold. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll let you guys know. So what you just have to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, and follow the Telegram to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram comment section.